stop scrolling. If you're a marketer in 2025, Adobe's Creative Cloud might be the secret weapon you're missing. Adobe is not just for designers anymore. It's built for marketers who want faster content, better branding, and higher conversions. With tools like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Adobe Express, you can create ads, social posts, videos, and landing visuals without hiring a full team. Everything connects so your brand looks consistent across email, social, and campaigns. What really stands out is speed. You can edit, resize, animate, and publish content in minutes, not hours. Plus, Adobe's AI features help you generate designs, remove backgrounds, and optimize visuals instantly, saving tons of time. So, if you're serious about marketing that actually looks professional and converts, Adobe Creative Cloud is worth it. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know what tool you want to review next.